actually you can meditate with anything that you can see, you can hear, so any object. So now we will choose breath as support for meditation. Okay, once you know how to meditate with the breath, then it is same that you can meditate with any other objects. So now I will teach you breathing meditation, and there's 2 steps. First, I want to ask you a question. The question is, are you breathing now? So if you are breathing now, raise your hand. Okay, great. That is the breathing meditation. Do you know why? You might wonder, this is funny, or why that is become breathing meditation. Actually, you have breath all the time, 24 hours, but you don't know you're breathing. And now, when I ask you that, are you breathing? You know that certainly your awareness comes on the breath, right? So therefore, now it has become breathing meditation. So, I told you 2 steps. Both is finished. The first step is, I ask you, are you breathing now? You say yes, so you know you're breathing. So now second step is, you know that is also meditation. So actually meditation is very simple. Just aware of your breath. But I know you cannot meditate with the breath for a long time. So maybe 2 breaths, 3 breaths later, you totally forget. It's okay. Come back again. Breath. Forget. Breath. So short time, many times. Like when you go to the gym, first you do exercise, not very long, right? Right. Maybe 2, 7, 10 times later, you cannot do. But it's okay. But you can try again next time. Then slowly, you can do more physical exercise. At the same time, your body become more healthy, fit. Same with your mind. So when you meditate on your breath, more, and even though short time, but repeat again and